on wanted to share a little something on this cold winter's day. I was bored and wanted something to do, so come out here to the garage and I've got this comfort zone heater that the thermostat is built into it, and it's pretty high up. I got tired of standing on the stool to change the temperature, turn it off when I leave for the day, and I decided I'd put a thermostat in, and I kind of wanted to share with you how I put it in. I don't know if you can tell here, but I have my wiring coming in and going to one side of the contactor, which is located here. You can see the black and white wire there, and then the wire comes back out. It goes to the original side of the terminal block that originally comes with a heater. Then on this side, you can barely see it, but I also have the wiring coming off the hot side over to the input of the transformer, and then I have the output of the transformer, one side going to the coil, the other side going out through some thermostat wire to the thermostat, then back to the other side of the contactor. And I'm just switching the main power on and off with the thermostat. I do have a fuse built into the 24 volt side of the transformer, a 3 amp fuse. It seems to work really well. I just keep you can still control it up here on the heater if you want to, but I just keep it on high and keep this on high as well, and the thermostat is just controlling the main power. It works just like it would if you were to get up here. Now it's 24 degrees outside right now, and we'll see what we're sitting at right here. 54, and I've only been out here for about 15 minutes or so. It'll warm it up usually to about 65, 68. I don't have the garage insulated, but I do have a little bit on the ceiling. I'm going to kind of show you just a schematic that I drew up of what I did. And first of all, you got your main power coming in to the hot side, the 240 volt side of the contactor, and coming back out right into the original terminal box. Then you got your 240 volts supplying your 240 volt to 24 volt transformer. Then you have your 24 volts, one side going out to the red terminal on your thermostat, then back from the white, or the W on your thermostat, back out to one side of the coil of your contactor. Then back on your transformer, you have the other side coming right back out to the other side of the contactor coil. And that thermostat will just activate that contactor coil and switch your main power on and off. All the wiring after that is just original to the heater. But, Seems to work really good. I don't have to jump up on the stool and turn the heater off anymore, or turn the breaker off to turn the heater off. I was doing that for a while too. This seems to work a lot better. It's a little loud when the contactor goes on and off, but you're out here working, it doesn't seem to bother me too much. It'll switch off and on with that thermostat just like one in your house once it gets up to temperature. Works really good. I'm happy with it, and I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. I just kind of wanted to share how loud it is when you turn the thermostat off. And when I turn it back on.